Hello. Welcome to the stream. I haven't had lunch yet, so every now and then I might be munching on a Cliff Bar, but don't worry, we're making donuts today. Today we're going to be making actually a reward system. So like when you do tasks, you get money and stuff. We're making like the money system. I think we're gonna have two quote-unquote currencies. We're gonna have money and XP. XP you just always get, and then coins you get, or I don't know if we should do coins or whatever. Sprinkles. That's a funny currency. We could do sprinkles. Anyways, I'm gonna start by make some UI. We have no UI in this game yet. Crazy. All right. So let's make a money GUI. Here we'll have a wallet on the bottom left, I think. There we go. Outpost in the bottom left. And then we'll give it aspect ratio constraint. And we'll just increase the size a bit. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, way too much. Also, hello, Sarah. Welcome to the stream. Blackyhead, how you doing? Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I saw you join our Discord earlier. How's your day going? What have you been up to? How's your day going, Blackyhead? Have you done anything today? Leave the house? Have you touched grass today? Pretty good, just got a lot of homework. Oof. You're still in school? Summer. When's your summer break start? Four to 5 months. Oof. Oh, are you on the other side of the world then? Is it winter where you're at? Ah. Makes sense. I'm glad this live stream is reaching all parts of the globe now. All right, I don't like this shadow. I'm going to an old game to find a better shadow. Let's see. Welcome viewers, welcome viewers. How is everybody? Hop into chat. Say what's up. Me pilfering UI from another game. Level select main. I want the shadow. There we go. Maybe like, oh wait. Right. Now we need text. We'll do. How far should this go? 0.8, 0.60, 0.80. Maybe a little bit more than that. Okay. Background transparent, text scaled. We want some font for this. And this will show how much money you have. I don't know why you'd ever have that much money. Lucky you. But this UI looks boring. How do we make it more interesting looking? What do we do? That looks like fun. This is hard to commentate. It's just me thinking a bunch. Hop Hat Man, how you doing? Welcome back. Hot friend. Oh, hello, Caitlin. Welcome to the stream. Also, I see that you have a Prime Gaming subscription. Actually, I'm not an affiliate right now. You can't even subscribe to me. Damn. Either way, I've just been working on the UI for this game, so we're gonna do the money system today. Wolfenstein New Order for free. Ooh. I play that game for the lore. Let's see what that song was. Here, Caitlin, I'll send you this song on Discord. I think that was the song they just played. Your developer career is starting to build up. Nice. With your you're doing your commission, right? What are they having you do? Can you still the deets, or is that confidential? Made a Twitter post with 1,700 likes. God damn. The hell did you tweet? Bless you. Why did the Spotify website just open up for you? I don't know. I didn't do anything. Blackie head search my first tweet. Making me open up Twitter for the first time in months. Oh, damn. That's a pretty nice build. Wait, are you a builder or a modeler? Or both? That's pretty good. Both. Yeah, that's a powerful combo right there. I'm still learning Blender a bit, so that's still where I'm lacking. The money, I don't know. Maybe buying like beach houses or something. Oh, my girlfriend's leaving. Goodbye.
Bye, chat. Bye, Caitlin.
She's been here the whole time.
Being sneaky.
Chat says goodbye.
Bye.
Alright, let's get this done. Do one of those. All right, time to go through and find the best looking $ icon. Ah, okay, it wants to be difficult. No, not me. Maybe. No, no. Maybe. No. Maybe. Ooh, maybe. Kinda. Eh. Ooh, that one's nice and curvy. Fancy. Make a donut currency. Hello, Retrobot. Welcome. You can't see. Oh no. We'll just Oh no, I'm exposed. Everyone can see my legs now. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Still trying to find a good icon anyway, so. The donuts will come back, don't worry, just after this. After we find the right icon. Alright, that's all of them. I'll go back through at supersonic speed for you guys. Alright, I think I like... This one was cool. This one was cool. This one was nice and curvy. Hello, Sarah. Yeah, I started streaming at 1, just have more time in the day, you know? Winter Aster, hello, welcome back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show. If you missed a stream yesterday, I built this whole fucking thing. Whole ass donut shop. We got spinning donut on top. We got interior with ceiling fans that spin. We got carpeting. We got pink everything. Today working on UI. Biggest game I've made or worked for. I made a game called Valley Crossing in 2020, right after like Animal Crossing New Horizons came out. I made it with my friend Modulatio. We spent like a couple months on it. It was really big in scope. We had like a battle pass like subscription system. We had like a phone UI. We had like houses and like customizing and like loans. You can go into debt. We had like fishing, we had like bug catching, ore mining, chopping down trees. Just a whole lot. We had like ATVs and like dirt bikes and stuff. But after that game I learned like to stop making big games because you can add a lot of stuff to a game, but it won't be good, you know? Like you have to have something fun first before you start adding all the things to it, and then become so big in scope that like it's impossible to keep track of everything, and the code was just like terrible. It was all spaghetti. So yeah, but that's probably the biggest project I've worked on. How about you? Try this. Cirque 1E. You're never gonna tell me how to pronounce your name, are you? You're just gonna keep letting me pronounce it wrong every time you join. Welcome back to the stream. Good to see you again. I think I saw you streaming yesterday too. I wanted to drop by, but I was out at dinner. How's your day going? What have you been up to? You working on anything? As of right now, I've just worked for cash grab games. The new projects I got at the moment were less cash grab and more likely a game. Yeah, that's really the hard line you have to walk down when you make Roblox games because, I mean, it's hard to monetize a fun game, right? Because otherwise, the stuff you pay for is either useless or like stupid overpowered, and it's not a very balanced game. So, and since everything on Roblox is like free, there's only like 2 popular paid access games. It's really hard to make a non-cash grab good game that also makes enough money to like fund the development because it takes a lot of money to make a game. Rocks Funky SX, welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. How's your day going? We're just talking about game stuff right now, but feel free to interject. Speak your mind. What's that icon next to your name, Meat? Good luck, have fun, pledge. Interesting. Don't know what that means. But I'm glad you're here. Welcome to the stream. Making a UI right now for... How's Roblox Studio working for me? For you? For me, it is working. It says reinstall Roblox Studio. I did, and it didn't work. I don't know. I don't think Roblox is down at the moment. Yeah, Roblox is still up. Roblox Studio can be finicky. You need to make sure that you really like uninstalled Roblox Studio. Like there's a lot to like just make sure you check in your like C drive and stuff, program files, that it's completely uninstalled before you reinstall Roblox Studio. It's a really stupid finicky program. Yeah, the cash grab games I worked for used like 1 million Robux on sponsors. Like, yeah, that's really where it comes, right? Where it all comes from is like, you gotta have money to make money, which is a real pain. Because I am poor. Have you tried taking commissions? Oh, how did you learn Roblox Lua? Like watching videos, tutorials, etc. I've been in this for a while, man. I've been learning to code since 2012, 2013. So it's been a long time coming. For me, what really helped was like going into free models, and like finding scripts like Shrek Car and like looking at how they work. And you say you love donuts, but you don't have a donut on your character. I do have donuts on my character. It's just not on the stream because it would block my face. Look at this. But yeah, like I learned by just reverse engineering like scripts I found in Roblox Studio in the toolbox, and like looking stuff up on the Roblox wiki if I didn't understand it, or like watching YouTube tutorials. Like Alvin Blocks, people shit on Alvin Blocks, but he's really great. Like he has a lot of really good tutorials, and he teaches a lot of good practices too. Let's see, have you tried taking commissions and with the money that you make your own, and with that money make your own games? Problem with commissions is that I don't really have a portfolio. I have a really bad habit of starting games and not finishing them. So I don't really have a lot of games to show off. Also, I'm just kind of worried that like, you know, it's not gonna be something I love to work on, and then like I'm not gonna be able to do very well because I don't love the work, you know. I love making games. I don't love working for other people. If I wanted to do that, I would just go be an engineer, which is what my degree is in. Something broke. This is broken. How many donuts can you stack? Right now the maximum is 3. I'm gonna make it so you can upgrade your character. So you'll start with just 1 donut, and then maybe you can stack up to like a dozen, 12. It's me, I'm broken. Yeah, same. If I enjoy making things, yeah. I'm broken. Yeah, I also, I like making things. That's why I became an engineer. I like designing things, building things with my hands and stuff. I'm not too much of I don't like programming too much. Like, I don't like doing back-end code and databases and stuff because it's a lot of stuff I can't see and like interact with. Whereas like when I do stuff like UI or building or like making these machines that like make donuts, I can see what the code is doing and I can better, shape the code to make it do what I want so it looks cool and stuff. But like I hate doing back-end stuff. Have you tried looking for investors? No. I don't know, people would just invest in games. I guess I have to like finish games first to show that I can like, actually ship a product. I would feel bad taking someone's money and then just like not shipping a game because I don't like the idea. That's kind of why I started streaming on Twitch, is just to like show people my game design process and like let people know like, yeah, I'm still here. I'm still making games. Just because you don't see games from me doesn't mean I'm not working on them. I've made like 4 to 6 different prototypes already this year. It's only June, but like I haven't released any, so no one knows that I've been making games. I've had a lot of like very devoted followers who support me, and I feel bad like, not releasing games or not updating old games. But like the truth is, I just, if I don't feel like a game's gonna do well, I have a hard time working on it. Oh my god, it's Wii Sports. I love every time this song comes on. It's great. I feel like this dollar sign's taking up too much space. I'm just gonna put it in here, and then maybe put like a button to get more. Maybe. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go look at Nintendo Switch Sport UI because I really love Nintendo Switch Sports user interface. It's just so good. All right, let's see what they do. All right, okay, cool. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna scoot it over by like, I don't know, 100, maybe more than that, 150. I'm gonna put a button. Do you know that there are harpoons in Phantom Forces now? How the hell do they have like a long reload and they insta kill people? Do they like pin people to walls? They take a portion of the game revenue. Yeah, that's what I assumed they did, but like, you gotta make something that they actually want to invest in. If there's a Roblox game that's popular and has things from Toolbox, does it get Robux or money paid? So stuff in Toolbox, that's all like, you don't make any money from stuff in Toolbox. That stuff is like just Creative Commons. It's you forfeit any like profit from that. So if you use stuff from Toolbox, like you keep all the money. It doesn't matter. You can make a game entirely with free models and still make money. You won't lose anything. Just maybe respect. It's 23M amble type. Nice, nice. 16 million place visits. I'm envious. Okay, I should explain. So there was a game I made in 2015 called Coalesce. I made it with my friend Aspernator. He makes the game Big Paintball, if you've heard of Big Paintball. But we worked on Coalesce together in 2016. He did a lot of coding for it. But yeah, that game kind of blew up among the developers, and then Roblox really liked it. We were one of the launch titles for Roblox on Xbox, and so that kind of kept us featured for a while. But yeah, it never got really popular because really weird game. Luring, welcome back to this stream. Good to see you again. $14 viewers. Damn, I didn't know 14 people wanted to see a guy make a stupid money UI. I'm flattered, but the UI is not that good. All right, so something important to remember is every time you make UI, yeah, you got to go into mobile to make sure that it works, and that does not work. That's disgusting. You wish you could. Kozlex, welcome back. I joined your stream yesterday, but everyone was speaking French, so all I said was donuts, and I left. Let's see. Yeah, there is a small wiki page about me. It mainly talks about Coalesce. They forget to mention that I also created the coffee shop genre, which is cool. The cafe groups. In 2013. I wish I could program like you. I have dyslexia. It's harder to learn. Oh, that sucks. I wish there was more I could tell you, but you can always do modeling and building. Blackyhead over here, he's a really great modeler. You should look at his Twitter. He's got fantastic models and builds. You don't need to be a master of all parts of developing. Rarely anybody is. I'm decent at most things in game dev, but it's hard to balance all those things. If you could choose one thing to be good at and chase that, you'll be way better off. Well, otherwise you can sell the games and get some Robux and a small percentage of the game profit. Yeah, that's true. Still have to finish games. Yeah, you saw that. I was talking French and English. Yeah, I was about to leave for dinner, so I had to leave. But yeah, it looked cool. I saw you make a Hello Kitty game, which is fun. You should make a button in the corner that just says "This is a button," while it just does not do anything. Why? I could. Bumgy, welcome to the stream. Always good to see you again. We're doing UI today. You want to play my game right now? Sorry, it doesn't work. Once you complete the donuts and you pick up the donuts, you can't get rid of them. You just have to die. So the game doesn't work. 16 people, welcome. 16 viewers. Holy. I didn't know so many people wanted to just watch a guy just do this. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm talking. 17? I just come to watch a donut spinning for hours. Yeah, it is fun to watch it spin. It spins very smoothly. 17 viewers, hello. Wee. So crisp. Beautiful, isn't it? Finally, the donut shrine. Finally. The donussy. I'm gonna say that and lose all my viewers. Alright. Button. We're making a button. We gotta make a button. Making a button. Yes. Business. Developing. Button. Put a plus button. Maybe it needs an icon. You're procrastinating working on your own project? Fair enough. The reason why I'm doing the stream is so I don't procrastinate. Because when 17 people are watching me, I have to like keep developing stuff. I can't stop. So this is pretty great for me. Green Deno. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. Glad you're watching. Glad you're here. Let's get 20, baby. One can dream. I'm happy with 16. I'm happy for more than I'm just happy you guys are here. I don't care how many of you there are. I just want you to be a part of the community. Reach out. Ask for help if you need it. Because this is apparently like a dev help place too, which is fun. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some real pro gamer moves here. So we're going into a website called a Flat Icon, and then we just type in like, I don't know, money, and then we can get icons, and then you can use the icons as long as you attribute the author, which I don't, but like that's how you can like get icons and stuff. But I think I already have one to use somewhere. Search donut. I still have like 3 major things left in it, but I just don't want to. Just take them one at a time. Don't say 3 major things. Just say you got something. You're just working through it. You know, one step at a time. Yeah, here are all the donut icons. Look how cute they are. Look at this baby. These. I also like that the stream is quite small. Yeah, it's not popular, but at least it's not a mass amount of bots and people spamming. I agree. No, it wasn't Pokemon Open. It was Nintendo Switch Sports, which is like, it's like Wii Sports, but on Switch and worse. But their UI is like, it is fantastic UI. And I really want to copy their UI for my game. Or at least have some kind of influence. So like here we see like a button followed by like a text label basically with an underline underneath it, and there's a stroke around the text as well. And the button has a stroke and then a drop shadow, and you'll see all the buttons here have drop shadows to signify they're buttons. Otherwise they don't have any shadows, so we need to follow that as well. And they all have icons too over text. Finally fixed Roblox Studio. The only thing I had to do was run Roblox Studio as the admin. That's great. Hopefully you don't have to do that every time, because that's annoying. For some reason I instantly thought that they're Pokemon trainer characters. Yeah, they do look like they do look like Pokemon trainer characters. You can play as a Mii though. You can set it to be a Mii. That's not a Mii. Whatever. You can make it a Mii though, which is cool. You just have to make the Mii like in settings. Sad thing is Roblox does not let us upload custom font. That is sad, yeah. But there's some nice fonts to choose from. Honestly, there's some fonts in here that I wish I could use elsewhere, like Radoka 1. I really like this font. I use it in all my games. If you've played any of my games, you'll see it everywhere. That and Gotham Black. Not using new characters, but I never even played Wii Sports nor have a Switch, not even a Wii. Well, there's no better time like the present to start. Good game. I get so heated over tennis. My girlfriend hates it when we play tennis because I get so mad. Donuts? Yes, Greeno. Donuts. What's my Roblox name? Yeah, it's God of Donuts. That's my Roblox name. Should be pretty easy. That's pretty good. Very nice. It's also my Twitch name, yes. All right, I actually want a coin. Maybe like this one. That one's cool. Oh, this one has a color in it. That's cool. So we'll download this. Open up paint.net. Open up. Yep, there's paint.net. We will drag it in. It is also my real life name. Yes, Sarah knows me in real life. She knows. Oh, Fried Circuits. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to dox you like that. She knows me in real life. She knows it's my real name. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it monochrome, black and white. And then brightness and contrast. We're going to increase the contrast. Not that much. Maybe... Just enough so that's white, white. Save that. Close it. And we are going to send this to PixelFix. They moved to a whole new country now. Yeah, I'm basically moving to a new country. I'm moving to Phoenix, which is across the country from where I am, so... Oh my god, it's My Neighbor Totoro, aka the Samsung alarm sound. Alright, so here's the pro tip, right? So the reason why you make the icon white is so in-game, in the studio, you can change the color of the image. So you don't have to like keep uploading it if you want to change the color of it. You can just do that. And now it's yellow. Isn't that wonderful? Pro tip. You heard it here first, folks. Although I don't really like the color now. I kind of wish it was just white. But I can do that. There's a plugin to preview local images in Studio. I mean, yes, but also I can just upload them. So it's not that bad. I do know Slovakia. I don't know anything about it. I know that it's in like Eastern Europe. I have not been there. I've not even been to Europe. But if that's where you're from, that's really cool. Tommy, welcome to the stream. I hope I know you in real life. If I don't, that's awkward. Yes. Okay. No need to give away all of our information, Tommy. Thank you for joining the stream, though. Thanks for the follow. And yes, hello from Slovakia. That's very cool. I think Top Hat Man, how close is Slovakia to you? I know you're in the Czech Republic. Didn't mean to out you like that. Alright, I'm gonna make a version of this that's like transparent. Just for the lulz, just for shits and giggles. See what this looks like. Send it to PixelFix. Oh, literally neighbors. Nice. Very cool. But your languages are different, I assume. Are they similar enough to where you could understand each other? Basically one person split in two. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, it is the two names, just, yeah. Czechoslovakia. Okay. Cool. Cool. Well, I'm stupid, so now you know. So it looks like Switch Sports, they have different colors for the outlines and also for the icons. I had a white outline and then this was smaller, the actual image. We'll do like 0.6. That's too small. Well, it's good to hear because I can speak none of them. I'm sorry. I speak. Do you like my scripting? It's interesting. It's a good start. How do I get so much money? Tax evasion. Yeah, it's actually the IRS thinks it's that. You don't need to sell drugs online if you do tax evasion. It's just easier. All right, I gotta go find circle button, circle shadow. There we go. Now you can tell that's a button, and we're gonna get rid of the shadow underneath the line because that's not a button. We're also gonna make this like skinnier, that, and then increase the size of this to like 5 times or something. Too big. And they had white and then the, okay, associated color. So this stroke was white. It was also thinner. And then the actual text was like the accent color here. Oh, that's ugly. That's real ugly. Don't like that. What, I have negative money? It's what the IRS thinks I have. So I don't have to pay taxes because I lost that much money, which is true because I'm poor now. There we go. There's my actual bank balance right there. Okay, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna, hang on. 0.8010. We're gonna make this back to normal. It's too big. 6, 8, 6. Take this out. Make that transparent. We'll insert a new frame, and this will be the underline. Buddy number. I should make a time leaderboard? I don't actually know how. Also, I just realized I passed 100 followers, and it was Tommy who was the 100, or was it Green? It was Green Dino that was 100th follower. Congratulations. I should figure out how to make a time leaderboard, but I think whenever I make it, it's probably gonna be only recording the, like from then on. Like it's not gonna count the past streams, so it wouldn't even be that fair. All right, how's its money UI look? Is it good? Let's add more numbers. Too many numbers. All right, now here's the important check. We got to test what it looks like on mobile. It's a little too far in the screen. Let's move it closer to the border. Because mobile players are more important than PC players on Roblox. Because they're like 50% of your players. 17 viewer back. Who's watching? Why? Welcome though. I think I'm gonna remove this aspect ratio constraint and just size it properly to the text button. So this is 100 tall. So we just make it 0, 100. That's too tall. 18, let's go. Make workers. My brother in Christ, you are the worker. Also, welcome to the stream, Maxi. Thank you for following. I'm glad you're here. See, you go back and forth between like mobile and PC, and it just looks ridiculous on either. It's really hard to make it look good on both. Huh. You know what we could do is just go to like another game I made in the past and just steal the UI from it, but I feel like that's a little too, that's not as fun. Here's what we need to do. We need to make a frame, a container frame. This holds like everything in it, so then we can just move everything relative to each other instead of relative to the whole screen. And then that'll hold it like within the good spot of place on mobile too. So it's not like too far in and not too far out. And then so what you do is you set your size, your scale, you set the scale while on PC mode, and then you go to mobile and then you bump up this is called offset. Until it's the right height on mobile, because offset affects mobile a lot more than it does PC. Because like going from adding 20 to offset on PC, you barely notice it. Like here's 20 on PC, that's the difference it makes. It's tiny. But then on mobile, it's huge. Look at that, it's like almost double in size. So that's how you set it for both. So we'll name this container, barely know her. Or add the text button in there, and this needs to be at 0.5 and then 0.50 size 1010, and then we'll just like make it a little bit smaller to account for the outline. Not that small though. That's a big button on PC. You should be using one aspect ratio constraint, a single container. Yes. I know. I realize that now because this has been stupid. I thought I was better than that and I didn't need it, but apparently I do. So, yeah. I don't need a shrine for God of Donuts. It's the entire building is a shrine to me. What do you mean? Look at the giant spinning donut on top. It's all a shrine. What are some more ways to reduce lag? It's harder to do it after the fact than just to like be conscious of it as you're making it. Like you need to have fewer triangles. So if you go to view, render under stats, you look on the bottom left here, you got draw scene. The number of triangles you have, it's correlated to how hard it is to run. So here we're looking at like the entire store from the outside. We've got like 40,000 triangles. As you go inside, like it changes based on what you look at. Like if I look at just the wall, it's not too many triangles because I don't know what it's rendering, but like this has a lot of triangles in it. So reducing the amount of triangles you have is a good is most of where your lag probably comes from. Oops, that's not a text size constraint. Text size constraint. Max size 50, 100, 80. Sure, 80. The game is not doing well. Yeah, it's hard, man. With showcases like that are so detailed, it's going to be laggy. Have you ever tried just getting a better PC? You should also disable can touch and can query for static base bar. Yeah, that'll help too. If you're really like pulling hairs at that point, you're really trying to get the most performance out, you should. But also that's why like for when I make games and I do building for the games, I don't have like a ton of detail in the builds. Like this shit low poly as hell. There's not a lot of detail in here. One thing I will say is CSGs, this stuff, terrible for performance. Avoid CSGs like the plague, because Roblox doesn't do a good job of what's called culling, C-U-L-L. They don't cull the backsides of CSGs, so they're not very good for performance. I use them because I don't have a lot of things going on in my game, so it's usually fine. But you should avoid them if you can. Models like meshes, those are better. You have a million CSGs in your game, don't you? That what that O means? Also that, yeah. Roblox's union operations can only do so much when merging geometry to optimize it. Especially if you do stuff like cylinders and stuff. You don't have as much precision or control as you do in Blender. What a bop. The song's such a bop. What am I doing? So Green Deno, you still haven't told me how to pronounce that correctly. You seem pretty knowledgeable in game development. Are you working on any games right now? What projects do you have going on? Unless they're under NDA, in which case, you know, we'll respect that. Oh yeah, I got 2 small games out. Yes, sir. That's what we like to see. What games? All right. Tornado Simulator got some great UI. Really proud of that. You made Tornado Simulator. Is it the one I'm thinking of? This one. No? That one's not a good one, right? There's so many Tornado Simulators. I didn't think there'd be so many. This one. No. This one. No. Oh, wait, this one? The first one? It was this one? It was the first one. Oh, nice. Alright, let's check out this UI. I'm stealing your UI. No, I'm kidding. Oh, this is really cute UI. Oh, this is not what I expected as a Tornado Simulator. I thought it was like, oh wow, this is really cute. Oh, this is precious. This is fantastic. This is very good. I was expecting like a game where you like chase tornadoes, not be the tornado. But this is really well done. I feel like the fixed camera might be a little off-putting for some players. I've always tried to avoid fixed cameras for that reason. But it does add a lot of charm to the game. It is very charming. Made it for you guys with Fusion. Oh, I've not heard of that. I should look into that. I've always made all my UI just in Roblox with like the UI tools. But this is quite nice. Nice work, man. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna give that a like and a favorite. Marcus Development, welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. We just checked out Green Dino's here game Tornado Simulator. It's really cool. It's got really nice UI. A lot of charm. The only good UI I did is copy some of Heat in other games. Oh, you just stole it from other. I mean, it's one thing to like, you know, just be inspired by other games. I'm basically ripping off Nintendo Switch Sports UI right now, because their UI is pretty great. Not Roblox cheat, can I show on Discord? Yeah, you can set it on Discord. And I'm gonna turn off display capture, just in case. Have you worked for any notable games? Depends on the definition of notable. So I worked on a game in 2015 called Coalesce. I worked on that with my friend Asperdator. He made a big paintball. But Coalesce was like a small little mini game, and we got a lot of publicity from Roblox. Actually, they really liked it. They kept showing it off, and it was one of the launch titles for Roblox on Xbox. So that's like my only real claim to fame. I used to build UI using Studio, but the tools are so primitive. I switched to Figma free vector editor. Another good thing to know. I'm gonna write these down. I got index cards on my desk for just such an occasion. So you said Fusion UI and Figma. Vector editor. Very good to hear. We're gonna make UI today, and then after this, I've got to go redo all of it. So yay! I mostly work on huge groups, 100K plus. Wow. Like the groups you got 100,000 people in the group. How many developers do you work with? Is it just you? You suggest using Figma? Yeah, I should use Figma. Because like most of my icons I just get from Flat Icon. I don't really make them myself, which I should. Well, that UI you sent, Coslex, that's like pretty utilitarian UI. I mean, like, that's a really complicated menu. I don't know how else you do it, really, with that level of efficiency. He said, welcome. Yes. Welcome to Cubcock City. Keanu Reeves said that, not me. So I'm just repeating it, you know? I didn't say that. You can't quote me on saying that. Yeah, you can create your preview really quickly using Figma. Yeah, that'd be nice. What I do is I draw my UI on a piece of paper and try to redo it in Roblox. 4 to 6 depends on the budget. Really, you should rate my profile on Roblox. You can do that. Is it in the Talent Hub or is it actually like on Roblox? I didn't know you could rate profiles. Nerd? Hey man, I'm a mechanical engineering graduate student. Or recent graduate. I'm not a student anymore. All I know is pen and paper. Like a general overview, like give you a personal rating. Oh, what's your username? Is it Marcus Development? That is not your username. What is your username? Oh. MX Art. Alright. This is his profile. Let's look at this. Let's see, we got 120 million contributed visits, but how many visits do you actually have? 1,712. Established nerd. Yeah, that's a good view of me. Oh, so you do like war clans and stuff. I see. So I had actually wanted to make like a game kind of built around war clans, like a game where you can like submit your war clan or like your group like as a and be like a guild in the game, and then like fight over like territory that's like persistent, and every time you capture territory it like increases your guild's like or your groups like high score, and so you have different war clans like battling. Because as far as I'm aware, there's not really like a central location for war clans to like fight on even ground, you know. But I need more time for that. That's not really a fleshed out game idea. But cool stuff, man. Those are some big groups. I remember doing group stuff. Back in my day, there was the X101st was like the biggest war group, and then Fear. You got guillotined? Who got guillotined? Oh, yeah, rip. That's what happens when you're working into war clans. You get guillotined. I mostly use groups. Scroll down. Yeah, I saw. By the way, have the first full version of your possible new overlay ready. Ooh, very cool. Send it on Discord. I will preview it with display capture off. That is cute, but where's the outline? Oh, I see it. It's thin. All right, cool. Thanks, Sarah. So Fried Circuits in chat's making me a new thing of my overlay, the little like dude that talks. So we should have a new one of those soon. It's gonna be hand drawn, so it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be cute as fuck. What was I doing? You guys keep distracting me. I'm supposed to get work done, and here I am like reviewing profiles and looking at your games. I need to make a UI. Alright, well, how's this UI? Does this look good or is it boring? I can't tell. It might be too boring. What's your Discord? I could link you up with a really good logo designer. I have a Discord server. You can just join that and find me through there. It's good. Okay. I got approval from one person. That's all I need. I'm a little happy with it. I wish that coin wasn't so like... There's just a lot of circles going on. Shouldn't the text be centered? Yeah. Sure. We can center it. I don't care. Maybe we should make it green because money is green. That's a green. Left alignment is better? You want left alignment? That just leaves so much like empty space out here. I don't know. I'll keep it for now. Hang on. Let's do this. Where's the color for this? Hello? Oh, this. Green? Oh, you mean right. Thank you, Top Hat Enjoyer, for plugging the Discord again. Right. There you go. All right, thank you for Yep, I got your Discord. Thank you. And now that you're on the Discord, you know when I stream, which is I try to stream every day around 1 to whenever I get tired. Do I have a different $ sign? I don't. I'm going to try to replace the image inside the button with text. I know it's a text button, but I want the text to look better. So I'm going to not use the actual text in the text button. Look, it'll make sense, okay? I know everyone in the chat's cringing right now. It's your game, which could fit your design more with the buildings, etc. Check the UI out. Alright, we'll check the UI out for this game. It's his own game, so we're just giving him players now, but... Alright. See ya, Top Hat Man. This is top-notch entertainment. Alright, we got rounded corners, we got stroke, we got interesting shapes. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's an octagon, but tilted. Very cool. Just notice that your Roblox character move when you're talking or not. Yeah, that's it. It approximates it. This man smells. Yeah, I smell like donuts. Fried. You guys mad doesn't line up? I mean, it's clean UI for sure. I've made UI like this before. I could do it. Lots of white space. That's true. I do like it. I do like negative space in my UI, or a lot of like transparency in my UI. You smell like carrots. All right. All right. Cool game, I guess. I'm just gonna just gonna do something real quick. Okay. I'm just let me do a thing. What is this song? It's an anime song. Okay. Why do you need UI when you got a sick build? That's true. We don't need UI. We just need like 2 buttons and that's it. It is a nice playlist. It's I think I sent it in chat yesterday. It's Twitch safe anime and lo-fi streamer music. You should show us your UI sketches. I don't even know how I would. I don't have a camera. Oh, I can probably send a picture to the Discord on from my phone. So here's a picture of. All right, see ya, Marcus. I got you on Discord, so we'll be in touch. Join in tomorrow too. So what I just sent in Discord is that's the cash register UI, and so you see now that's what we have. So just really simple stuff like that. The hardest part is like making the rounded corners and drawing. It's hard. Oh, the paper holder, you like it? Yeah, I designed and 3D printed that. So I think I showed in a stream a while ago, but I'll do it again just here. I gotta open up SolidWorks. Okay, we're opening up the big boy programs now. So I just graduated a month ago. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm not a game developer. I'm not a programmer. I'm not an artist. I'm a mechanical engineer. So I design and build things. That's what I'm supposed to do. But I don't want to do it, so I'm doing game development. But here in SolidWorks, I designed this card holder. So you hold the card vertically. There's storage behind for more cards. It reminds you what kind of card it is. There's a pen holder in front. And then my friend Michael 3D printed it out of ABS for me. So that's what I use to like hold my index cards, my to-do lists and stuff. It's great. Engineering. Anyways. You saw my computer? How about designing a game? Yeah, I'm sorry. I keep getting distracted. I need to fucking work on the game. You will get computer pics some other time. My computer is not in a very presentable state right now. I need to get a new case. Case sucks. Too dark. I really love that part of this song. A really nice calming little pause there. By wise words from God of Donuts, I'm actually gonna work on a game. I mean, do you actually come here to just watch me work on stuff for like 4 hours, or do you actually like, you know, you're here for the conversation, for the feels, for the real talk? Oh, yeah, also Sarah's distracting me with art questions. I just see, not gonna lie. I'm here for the view. True. Okay. I think I'm happy with the way this looks. I think what I might do. Watch this. Boom. Now it's tilted. Isn't that cool? Okay, well, whatever. And then I don't think we need the dollar sign on the money amount now, right? I think we're good. Also, I think if we center it now that we have the separate money icon, I think centering doesn't look terrible. Now it kind of looks more like a high score instead of like money. So yeah, and I don't think that looks bad. What do you think, Green? Do you know? Want your expert UI opinion? When you get a paycheck, make the money icon move a little? Of course. It's gonna do way more than that, don't you worry. We're gonna have the juiciest UI. The text should not be crossing the underline. Alright, let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, you're right. That should keep it below it. I kind of want it to be touching it though. So maybe I'll do 1 minus, or maybe 0.9. So that'll make it touch it, but it won't go. I went through it a little bit. Now we for sure have a full dev team in chat. True. I always love when that happens. I love having like just so much help in here. It makes it a lot easier. It keeps doing it. Oh, this song is a bop. Able Sisters, let's go. By the way, you're gonna be streaming daily. I will be. I've been streaming daily. I've been trying to stream like every week or every day this past like week or so. Yeah, I'll be streaming daily. Probably around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just because it helps me work. I won't get anything done if I don't stream it. Although apparently I won't either way. I've learned today. But yeah, I'll be here. So don't feel bad if you miss it. Just you come back the next time. Yeah, you don't want to be here for the scripting ones because that's boring. Also, I'm bad at it. This underline is pissing me off. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to do this. Text alignment, bottom. And then maybe that'll keep it more constant. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Attack on programs. No. It's not that I hate programmers. I'm just bad at scripting. So you're just gonna cringe the entire time. I'm used to it though, so I'm used to people cringing at my code. It's fine. Epic. I might make it a little bit wider, just with the offset, so that the mobile isn't so cramped. Heck. There we go. And now I think I'll move it up a bit. I think that looks okay. I hope it looks okay. And the stream delay. I'm playing Pinata Fest right now, and it's a pretty fleshed out game. What happened? It's just not fun. It was before I learned a lot about like game design, not game development, but game design, like how to make a game fun. And really, I was just trying to make like a satisfying simulator, but I don't really find those fun. And it was really hard to keep working on something that, like, you know, wasn't fun. But I gotten so far into it that's like, ugh, you know, I've gotten this far, I might as well finish it. And I got most of it done. I just don't think it's fun, and I don't really know like how I would make it more fun without like drastically increasing the scope of the project. Attack on builders. Oh, do you want better? Attack on Titan. I haven't watched that show in so long. I think I stopped after season 2. No, you know, you need more dopamine. That's what my friend told me. It's like, he said, yeah, you, if you lose motivation on games, you, like, maybe you just don't have fun playing games. Like, maybe I don't have fun playing games, but I like making donuts. That's fun. I need impact. Well, that font isn't in Roblox. I'm sorry, I had to make the joke. What do you mean by impact? Got a great video. All right, send it to me on Discord. Unless you want to send it in chat so everyone can watch it, that's fine. I'll watch it after the stream. So it'll get lost in chat if you send it there. That's it. Oh, I've seen that video. Yeah, I mean, that video is a lot about like it's called juiciness, right? So we're talking like game juice and game feel, and it's like making a big impact with a small action, and that is part of what I was trying to get at with the swinging mechanic, the bat mechanic in Pinata Fiesta. I wanted the impacts to be like it shakes the camera, it has like a stripe, it has like color shake, it has like a bunch of candy flying out. 7N900Y. I don't know how to pronounce that, but welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. We're making a donut game. Fun. Well, I'm trying to make a donut game and then chat distracts me. I get distracted by chat, I should say. They don't mean it. You're actually making a cafe game. Oh, really? Is it like a group? Like you got a cafe group as well? You have a developing team and everything. Nice, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, cafe groups. I invented those. I invented that in 2013. I made the one cafe group you probably know as a Frappe. Yeah, the group was originally called Starbucks, and then it was forced to be changed to they changed it to Frappe. Yeah, I made the first cafes in like 2013, 2014, and then I kind of stepped away. I don't do that. I don't do cafe groups anymore. There's just not a lot of like, not a huge audience for it. You know, it's a very niche thing. You could, if you want, you could just join the Discord and then message me from there. There should be a link somewhere on my channel, but that'll just be easier. I don't like messaging on Roblox. Stuff gets lost. It's stupid. Discord's just easier. And I'm always on Discord. I have it on my phone. I don't have Roblox on my phone. All right, I got your friend request. Hello. So tell me about your cafe game. Is it better than mine? Better not be. We're gonna have a problem. Oh, you want me to check it out? All right, stream, let's go look at this cafe. Oh, we got the font that I use. We got Fredoka 1. Hell yeah. We're skipping loading. I got an RTX 3070. I don't need to load. This is a huge ass cafe. I don't want a tutorial. I know how this works. I made this. I made you. I invented you. Your NPC died. Oh. You gotta teleport here instead of using a collision group. Rank system doesn't work. Still working on it. Cringe. Quality low, high. High, of course. Let's see. That's cute. You got Slide. Nice. Where's Revenue and Cafe? So they have a shop. Looks like they got Deal of the Week, VIP. You can buy ranks because, you know, who cares about how good of an employee you are? It's all about the money. Look at this. Corporate intern, not 10,000 Robux. Bruh. We got game passes. Oh, it's more. It's just ranks. You just buy ranks, apparently. That's how they make revenue. Spin the wheel? Oh. Oh, and donations. Okay. I spun the wheel. I won 25 cash. We got gambling, boys. Let's go. I guess it's not gambling if you don't give anything up. Oh, I can't keep doing it. I can only spin the wheel every 24 hours. Okay. You can buy pet. Okay. Where do I buy pet? You can also buy coins with Robux. Okay. We got a hand 2. Nice. I remember making this. This was a huge like thing for me to make back in the day. I had no idea to make that. It like really, wow, it's a little sus. Pumpkin festive. Nice. I don't have it. Okay. Cool. We got quests, we got badges, we got titles that you can probably buy. Cool. That's getting deleted though. Understandable. Very cool. This cafe is very big though. It's not like very realistic. Also, that block up there is not anchored. The snow up there is not anchored. Just FYI. The mesh. Yeah, but you can anchor it still. Anyways, cool cafe. It's very much like it's a quintessential cafe. It's like a lot of cafes. I know Henny. Yeah, I do know Henny. I actually I visited him. I drove up to his house the other week. We went to check out his I went to look at his birds. He's got birds. He's got like 6 birds, I think, and they're all very adorable. I held one. The one in his profile picture, actually. I held his Bungie is his name. Oh, sorry, Spumgy, to fill you in. It's one of our, apparently it's a mutual friend. What? Hey, yo, what? Holding his what? Oh, bruh. Don't clip that. His bird. His pet bird. His tame and domestic dinosaur ancestor. Or dinosaur... I held his cockatiel. His cock. It's fine. You don't do that? You don't drive 3 hours up to hold your boy's cock? The Crazy Hercules, welcome to the stream. You joined at the perfect time. My devs just spammed my DMs about me. Why? They wanted you to come check out how bad I am? Nope. That's not the size. What did your devs want from me? What do they hope to gain? Something about you joining my group game or something. I have no clue. Oh, the Starblocks Cafe. Yeah. What's his name? Verse just had me check out your cafe. I started the cafe group thing. You spam the crap out of you, so you have no idea what's going on. Yeah, a lot of people don't like know me in the cafe group world anymore because I started making cafes in 2013, and that was like, oh, I'm not the owner. I don't own it anymore. I gave it up in 2014. I gave it to what's his name? Cyrogenics. That how you pronounce it? I gave it to Cyrogenics and bro, why you gotta clip it, bro? Anyways, yeah, I made it in 2013 and then I gave it to Cyrogenics in 2014. So I don't own it anymore. And then after Cyrogenics got it, at some point they changed their name from Starbucks to Frappe. But when I made it, it was called Starbucks. It was the first cafe group. It was inspired by Kestrel, and there was like an Italian restaurant as well. That was like a group. That was like the first like restaurant group, or one of them. And then I made a cafe because I like coffee shops, and I like the vibe of coffee shop. So yeah, that's kind of like my villain backstory. We are launching tomorrow, so I'm just stressed about getting something with ranks. Done that way, things run. Something with ranks done. That way things run smoothly. Okay, yeah. Hopefully, yeah. You've got some things in the cafe that are unanchored as well. You might want to get a look at that. Always make sure you leave yourself like a third of development time for bug testing. A lot of people leave like the last like day for bug testing, but really you need a third of your development time for bug testing. It's just that important. A delayed game is eventually good, but a rush game will forever be shit. I don't know, whatever Miyamoto said. Mirandi YouTube Games, thank you for following. Welcome to the stream. Speak your mind in chat. What, you don't test in production? Insane. Yeah, that's just what Elon Musk does with safety features on Teslas. Test in production. Okay, gotcha. Never really ran a group, so yeah, it's a lot of stress. One of the reasons why I quit cafe groups was because there's just so much drama with people like trying to get ranks and stuff, and like I didn't do like, no one could buy ranks when I ran it. When I first had cafe groups, the only monetization we had was like I think merch, like the uniforms and like chat voice, which was a thing back then. But that's it. I didn't really monetize it because I didn't really care. I was in high school. And there was a lot of like people fighting in ranks and stuff, and like it was hard to fire people and like demote people. There's a lot of drama. People would like make their own groups and like try to compete. So yeah, it was too much. So that's why I stepped down in 2014. But yeah, I did make Frappe in 2013, which is hilarious because that was before a lot of like players now like were bored. Like people on Roblox playing like Adopt Me and stuff, if they're like 7, they were born like way after I made Frappe, which is hilarious to think about. And also terrifying because that means I'm really old. I'm real boomer out here playing Roblox. And he just messaged me, explain, my friend just sent me this clip. How do you stay motivated? If I don't make money from Roblox, I have to like be a barista. Like an actual barista in real life, which I'd rather not. So I stay motivated because I need to make money. That's the ultimate goal. But like also, I want to be able to make money doing something that I really enjoy. And I don't enjoy working in an office for 8 hours a day you know, I'd rather make like minimum wage making Roblox games. Like I've played Roblox since like 2008 when I was 8. So I've been playing Roblox for 15 years, and like it's just a huge part of my life, and that's, I want to make money from it. I want to make my life about Roblox. So that's why I do it. Well, nice to meet you, man. I got work to head to. You have a good one. All right, see ya, Crazy Hercules. Glad you stopped by. I'll see you tomorrow. No, you have to be an engineer, even scarier. Yeah, that's true. That's also my backup plan, is being an engineer, because I am fully qualified to be an engineer for some reason. What the hell is your degree for then? My degree is for the flex. It's solely just to flex my $100,000 piece of paper. No, I did it because, like, you know, society tells you to do engineering or like be a doctor or something smart, and then I was like, okay, I'll do that. And then I only realized like later, like the last year of college, that like you can make Roblox into a thing. Like you can do this full time, and I didn't really think about that because I'm stupid. You could have majored in game design. What was the reason you didn't? So game design or game development as a concentration at my school was offered in the computer science department, and I just really don't like programming, truth be told. I can do it. I know enough programming to like get by. Like I can make games. I have made games. I can make games by myself. Pinata Fiesta I made entirely by myself. Save for like the models. I commissioned someone to make models for me. But I don't like looking at code all day. And if I was in computer science, then my entire like day would just be staring at a screen looking at code without doing anything with the code. Like I can see. I like engineering because I like cars. I like seeing how things work. I like visual things, like building things and design. Programming to me is just a means to an end. Like if I can program, I can make a donut spin on a roof, or I can make, you know, buttons on a cash register. But I hate doing like back-end stuff, like managing data and like handling client server transactions. Like that's why I use NIT. But that's why I did mechanical engineering, and then later through my college career, I realized like this isn't really what I want to do. I enjoy it, but I just don't want to do it for a living, you know? So right now I'm doing Roblox full time. That's why I'm streaming, so that I can hold myself accountable and like stay working at least. You're 18. Well, that's a great time to know what you want to do. Let's see. My friend Aspernator, he made Big Paintball. He never finished high school. Fun fact. He didn't go to college. He just made Big Paintball, and he's doing all right. So you definitely don't need college per se. Like I didn't need my engineering degree, but it's a nice backup. Just saying. The elites don't want you to know that though. They want you to go to college and pay tuition. Oh my god, this is back in Matai. It is. Oh my god, I love this stuff. Just doing what you did, backup. Yeah, that's fair. And you probably enjoy programming more than I do anyway, so you'll be fine. Okay, so you don't enjoy programming then. When is the face cam? When I'm not ugly. If you want a face reveal, just look my username up. Some newspaper in Charlotte, North Carolina did a piece on me and they have my picture. So I've returned and the stream is still going. Yes, of course. And the currency is not Robux. It's not Robux, it's just like dollars, I guess. Just because coins, like everyone does coins, it's just boring, you know? We'll do dollars. What even is my name? It's Josh. Don't call me that though, that's weird. Donut dollars. Yeah, also my Discord profile pic. Yeah, my see, I shouldn't have said anything, but anyway, yeah, my Discord profile pic, the one that's not in the server, my actual Discord profile pic, it's me and my girlfriend, the goddess of donuts. You guys meet her every now and then. She's not here right now. She's out getting groceries, but donut dollars, donors. Hey man, I wish we had some donors in chat. That'd be nice. Click on that coffee icon or latte art underneath the stream to donate. Anything helps because I'm starving. I actually haven't had lunch today. Just do some golden donut SVG would be really cute currency. I could do golden donuts, that would be cute. Wonder if I have like a donut icon I can just throw in there. Yeah, that one. Oh, I did want to change this one. Oh, because it's invisible. Right. Dino, thank you for the tip. 1337, very cool. I can eat dinner now. Yay! Let's go. Appreciate it very much. You guys think I'm joking, but like I didn't really have any idea what I was gonna do for dinner. I was probably just gonna eat some ramen. Although since I'm getting affiliate, hopefully I get affiliate today. After this stream, it should count as affiliate. Should be able to have bits as well to donate, and that'll help immensely too. College mindset, I'm taking notes. Yeah, you should take notes in college. That's a good mindset to have. Rate my professor. Use rate my professor to find classes. Go by rate my professor. You will learn a lot more from a professor who's actually good than just like, you know, just because it's a college doesn't mean your classes will be good. My school I went to North Carolina State University. We're an engineering school, big engineering school. A lot of research. So all the professors, they do research full time. They don't care about teaching. There's only like a couple of professors that actually like teach. That's their job. Most of them do research. So they're not going to be great. Some of them will care more than others. Find the one that cares, because those will be the good professors. And use Rate My Professor and just like ask around. Get an iPad with an Apple Pencil. So much easier for taking notes than on paper. But if it's too expensive, then don't, obviously. But I found it tremendously helpful my last year here, which is when I got it. Because you can download the professor's like lecture notes from the website and then have that to write notes on instead of just blank paper, and you don't have to like worry about copying down everything. Yep, sure thing. Do you know what school you're going to? I hope you do. If you're 18, that's a very upcoming decision, or it's about to be. That University of California. That could stand for Santa Clara, Sacramento. Potapapple. What a great name. Welcome to the chat. Thanks for following. We're just talking about college stuff right now while I'm working on some UI for my donut game. Santa Cruz. Oh, it's a Spanish name. Ah. Nice. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. The goddess of donuts is here.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello, chat. I'm just concerned for your health, so I got that's magnesium.
Great, thank you. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so this will be my lunch now.
Good. Eat a lunch. You haven't even eaten your food.
I've been talking to chat. I haven't had time to eat.
Chat, tell him to eat food.
Nope. Chat says hi. Is that Spanish from Spain or Mexico? Or elsewhere in Latin America? What names are too long? What do you mean? I'm pretty sure Goddess of Donuts is actually too long to fit on a Roblox username. No, just too lazy typing God of Donuts. You can just call me Josh if you really want to. I don't recommend it. It'll make me angry, but you can do it. You can just tell everyone in chat. I'm sure they won't mind to know if it's available or not. Oh. Oh. Already taken. Darn. Oh well. Well, I want to add this gradient to make this shiny, but now it's not really working. Now it just kind of looks round. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Yeah, it doesn't really work. It's fine. Let's make it pink. That boy has sunglasses now. Sick. All right. I can't find a color that worked for this XP bar. Oh, this is an XP bar, by the way. I was thinking pink, but it's not bright enough. It just looks kind of sad. Maybe it's fine. I'll add a stroke on the bar. Maybe one on the text too. We like a little stroke every now and then. I need to think before I speak. You can't really see it. Oh, because I'm blocking it. There. Is that better? Okay, cool. You just can't see the properties now, but did you really care? Were you really looking at the properties? That too pink? Maybe a little too pink. We'll do that. I'm gonna make the stroke white and see what that looks like. That just looks confusing, but I don't care. I think it looks okay. We'll make this stroke white as well, and then make the text pink as well. Yeah, I think that looks all right. Those two, I think. You did, you cared, I'm sorry. Here, you know what? There we go. Now you can see him. I hope you enjoy the properties. You're gonna head out. Okay, well now I'm putting it back. How long am I gonna stream? I think probably just another hour. I think I might stop soon, but I will be in. I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, same time. Old Fable, welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. Why am I missing feet? Because I crop the image too tight, and I don't have feet. Also, so you can't take feet pics. Retrobot, welcome back. What kind of boba did you get? What flavor? Pineapple, nice. Did you get like regular tapioca or like popping bubble boba? Regular, nice, very cool. I get this like kiwi green apple one at my local boba shop. I'm sorry, Fable. Yeah, I normally get the kiwi boba with popping boba. Like I think they have lychee, so I get lychee boba, popping boba. It's really good. Very sweet though. Don't worry about it. Top Hack Enjoyer, it's fine. You can just tell me on Discord if you really want to. Do you stream development, Fable? Are you better than me? Yeah, every once in a while. Okay. I'm assuming you're better than me too then. Just Guy 1000, thank you for following. Welcome to the chat. How are you doing? What's going on with you? Retrobot, you graduated a few weeks and you finally got orders. Nice. Orders like for boba or for like commissions? So if I have 1.6 million triangles, my game is that bad? It's not bad. It's just unoptimized. Could be great if it was like, if that's what you're going for, but I mean, when I played it, I ran it pretty fine, but I also have a pretty beefy computer. One of mine had like 150,000 parts. I mean, yeah, you could have 150,000 parts. That could also be bad, but parts, I believe, are properly culled by Roblox, so they have at least that going for them. CSGs don't though. CSGs just suck. You're fine, Just Guy. You like this idea. I'm glad you like it. Here, I'll show you some actual gameplay since you're new here, and since there's a lot of people new as well. A donut game. It's a game where you make donuts. What else could it be? It's all about the donuts, boys. So here's how you make the donuts. They get formed here, and then you fill them. You pick them up. You throw them in the frog oven. You gotta step on this to speed it up. Here come the donuts. We can make this one. We'll make this original glazed. We'll make a chocolate one with sprinkles. Oop, goes up there. And then we'll make strawberry with sprinkles. And it goes up here. Wow. I like that instead of a button, you just have to interact. I like that instead of just button, you actually have to interact with. Yeah, I agree. I tried to make everything as like exaggerated and like physical as possible. If you don't see like a proximity prompt to press E, then normally you just walk near it. So for this, you just jump, and if you're near the handle, it'll grab it and pull it down. But it won't make more donuts until you pick it up. No, I'm probably not a better dev than you. That's hard to quantify. Everyone has their own strength. There's no one that's like the ultimate dev, except for maybe like Slate Nick or something. Who does your modeling? So the donut model is actually from the toolbox, unfortunately. This was all, everything else was made by me though. Bro, you can't finish your projects either? Same. That's like my defining character trait. This is CSG and it's cringe. This I made in Blender in like 15 minutes. The rest of this is just like parts that I made. You can't be the lowest. The lowest is can I be admin when it finishes? I don't need admins. I don't know what I need an admin for. Sorry. It's not a group. It's not for a group. It's just a game. Do I use a color palette? Good question. Not really. I make everything gray. I use like just standard, you know, medium stone gray. And then I add color later. But I do like I try to pick like one color and then like an accent color and then maybe like a contrast. So like the green. Pink and green go nice together. It's like strawberry kiwi. And then the rest of it I just kind of make up. I don't really have a palette. I just kind of just use my instinct. You like the modeling. Thank you. I think it could be better. I know, but can I though? I'll monitor it for exploiters. Well, there aren't many exploiters, and what would they do there? It's not a competitive game nor a popular game. Rude. It could be popular. Yeah, I don't expect to have too many exploiters. I think my code is pretty secure. I think the only thing you can really exploit is like maybe like moving characters around to like cause damage or something, but beyond that most things are pretty secured. You have to be a kid. Oh, I'm sorry, Noah Plays. I didn't see you followed at 3:10 p.m. 4 minutes ago. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, I was probably showing off the game, but welcome to the stream. Feel free to speak your mind in chat. Not popular yet. I hope it gets popular. I'd like to have a game that gets like, you know, a couple hundred current players. That's the dream. I don't think I've ever had more than like 100 players. Bro, my fortune cookie didn't have a fortune and I feel scammed. That's bullshit. What's the point of the cookie if not to deliver fortune? It is a nice snack. That is true. Suing Panda Express. Okay, as a Chinese American, I actually think Panda Express is pretty good. It's as far as fast food Chinese go, like it's not terribly authentic, but it's also pretty good. What am I doing? I'm fixing this because it broke. We'll do a little bit of coding real quick just to fix this bug. We are going to fix this by getting rid of that. I'm just going to do that. Task.wait.1. Getting rid of that. Don't need any of that actually. But I demand a fortune, my fortune cookie. This isn't the first time this happened. That's some bullshit. You should give this store bad reviews on Google reviews. I like it. Too bad the closest one to base is 30 minutes away. Yeah, that's fair. The closest one to me is like 20 minutes away too, and I'm in like a pretty big city. Epic coding montage. Why do I have this stinky bot role? Yeah, I am a robot. Or maybe it's just because I'm stinky. All right, here's what it looks like now. I think that looks cool. It should do it on both sides. Yep. That means it's empty. So we'll go fill it up and see what it looks like then. What is this song? Weird. Goodbye. I'm not thinking, I'm stinky. Yeah, that's true. It's still doing it. Oh, less than 1. Our Discord says Little Root Town. This oh, you can see it on Discord. That's cool. Yeah, I was talking about the last song. I think it was called like, I don't know, Columns. You think code is wrong? Yeah, it was wrong. My code is always wrong. Epic. We got that one's has one, that one has one. So the rest should be flashing red. Very cool. Take one out. Now it flashes. Cool, cool. Now they're all flashing. Great. You just coded something that worked? What did you code, my guy? TP. Nice. Nah, man, he made toilet paper. I messed up the joke. I'm proud of you, though. That definitely counts. So much code is just copied, man. Like, Windows 11 is built on, like, Windows NT architecture somewhere, I'm sure. Windows XP is still lurking in control panel. In Windows 10, like, yeah, code gets just picked up and sprinkled everywhere. Is this obesity simulator? Welcome, Gen 2 Oxygen Needed. Thank you for following. Yeah, it is obesity simulator. I'm not even gonna pretend it's not. Yeah. This is straight up, this is a tribute to type 2 diabetes. You know what's a good idea? I'm pretty sure there's like several games. I think like eating simulator, like where you literally just become obese. Which doesn't exist. This is get shot by confetti cannon and die simulator. Yeah, so America simulator. Getting shot and dying. Here we go. Ooh. There's also shit simulator. Yeah. You probably live in like a city, Fable. Like I live in a city. I don't see too many obese people, but like out in the boonies when like we have to drive everywhere just to get to like the grocery store. Yeah, like it can get pretty bad. There's a lot of stuff you make as a simulator. B simulator, PC simulator, birth simulator. Yo, lactation simulator when? Someone needs to make milk simulator and just make it very like just, you know, faithful to the source material. I live in the suburbs. Fair enough. I wonder if maybe like the definition of obese has like changed at all. It might be a lot lower than we expect as well. It's like you could weigh like a lot but still be like built, you know? But like maybe that's heavy enough to count as obese, where depending on what that statistic is recording. Really is 40%, huh? Whack. Where's the source for that, by the way? Like, who did the study or who found that out? Also, when do I plan to release this? I will release it when it is done. When it is ready. So maybe like a month. I don't know, but if you follow the stream, then you should be the first to know when it's ready. All right, I think we're gonna wrap up maybe in the next 15 minutes because I think I'm starting to get to a good stopping point. So what I'm gonna do is I have a data handler service setting attributes to the player, and what I'm gonna do is just make the UI read that. So I'm gonna real quick make a You know, I could probably make an attribute just for reading. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll make a. Let's make a controller for the. Be a money controller. Gotta go in and change all the names. Function. Coding time. Oh man, y'all are going off in chat. Hang on, I gotta read stuff.
Pete Holden? You're spitting facts, man.
True.
100% of people who have died are indeed dead.
This is true. Fun fact, it's been scientifically proven that 100% of Roblox developers want to die. Can confirm. Based on facts and logic. Hey, Dalton says hi, Grace.
I appreciate his statistic facts.
So are we ending, or we'll end in a little bit. I'm just getting this hooked up real quick. So what I'm doing right now is I'm connecting this UI element where it says how much money we have to how much money we actually have. And what it's going to do is just update the number whenever that happens. So I got to grab the player GUI. Once I finish this, we'll leave. I promise. You don't have to keep staying here. Yeah, I'm sorry. If average of like 10 viewers on stream. Yeah, I know, right? It's sick. I only needed 3 for the affiliates, so I should have affiliate after this stream. I hope. I swear to God, they're gonna like screw me over or something. Billion isn't worth it. It forbids you from streaming on YouTube. It's fine, I'll stream on YouTube anyway. Everyone watching here is not going to switch over to YouTube just because I do, you know? There's other people to watch, I'm sure. Your dad's favorite game on Roblox is Milk Simulator. Very cool. I also love Lactation Simulator. Well, see, the nice thing is if I get affiliate, then that means I can get subs, which means I don't have to monetize my game as much because I can afford to eat. I'd rather not like put any monetization into my game if I don't have to, but man's got to eat. But if I can get like subs and I can get donations, then that'd be great. That's the ideal world, right? Where you don't have to worry about like, how am I going to monetize this game? Which doesn't pay much. Fair. But I don't need a lot. Oh, damn. That's kind of whack. I know they're also changing their rates too. Like, pretty sure even partners only get like 50-50, right? Oh, I'm stupid. Sonic. Oh yeah, Marble Garden Zone. We hired a scripter to fix the rank system. Turns out I was the one who was actually going to fix it. Oh, well, I hope you get paid for it. All right, we got the money thing updating. So that's cool. If I change this, that should change too. So now all I have to do is just change the player's money and the UI will reflect it. Very cool. All right, that works. I think that's a good place to stop. I appreciate everyone coming out and watching. We had a great stream. Streamed for 2 hours, 37 minutes. Not bad at all. I think changed the alignment for the money. I'll think about it, Retrobot. But we'll see. Is game exploitable? Just asking. I don't think it is, but you're welcome to try. Alright, Spunky, go start your stream. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Join the Discord. The link is somewhere on my channel. I I will be streaming again tomorrow, probably at the same time, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, thanks for coming. See you guys. Bye bye.